Start the recording. I'm on difficulty select.
I'm saving my files, guys.
I'm saving my thing.
Alright, cool.
Okay, I'll save like 2 files and then yeah, I'll be ready.
Let's hope this time we can
Load.
get around.
I'm loading
Hello,
still.
guys.
Still loading. Okay, now I'm ready.
Okay,
Alright.
wait. Okay, we're good. I'm good to go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah. So Emerald starts earlier than us because PS3.
But he's gonna fail because he doesn't play this game.
I
If
Oh, that's a good
Emerald's
choice.
probably gonna beat me because loads, but also I'm gonna feel sad when he does.
feel like I should be able to. I feel like I should be able to beat Emerald, even on PS2.
Yeah, probably. You have like a 50 or something, right? On
On PS2 I have a 59. I have the only sub one.
Nice. I don't even know if I remember the route.
Good. Please don't.
God.
I don't want you remembering any routes, okay? Just forget
No.
everything. Give me a chance. Give me a chance.
Wait,
Dude,
am I supposed
Juke-
to go into the... Yeah.
Juke is lucky. He gets all the He gets to see all the action. He gets to just swap between streams on the fly.
I hope you're paying attention, Duke, so that you know what so if you missed the UK history run, so that you know what's actually
Dude.
happening.
On the fly, more like on the mosquito.
Not funny.
I know.
Yeah.
I accidentally
you're
died
so
on the little
unfunny.
lava stuff. Not died, but you know.
I hate you locked on so much.
We love lock on here.
I can't play Rack without lock on. I need lock on.
Well, we need to do a skip that involves you going away from enemies. It's not very helpful, is it? Good bots. Very good bots.
Good boy bots. That was kind of weird, actually.
Jeez. Okay.
Good boy. It's a beautiful day.
Fat gold. Straight out of the gate.
Pretty golden. Okay.
I think this is confirmation Matthias is winning. Also, my disc loads really fucking slow.
Yeah, he
I
finished on
accidentally
category.
you hard.
Alright, we're about to, honestly I kind of need to keep trying. I need to try and keep pace with Emerald because he's the closer comparison. Even though Sage is on the same console, I think my PS2 time is closer to Emerald's PS3 time, but not if I do that.
I'm out of the Landstalker. Let's go. Hopefully the mission actually completes, because last time I did this trick, it didn't even complete the mission. And I go to the end.
Why? I don't need to pull out the Harbinger because this is PS2 and the trick doesn't work on PS2, and I don't like that it doesn't work on PS2. I've tried it. It doesn't work on PS2, and I'm sad about it.
I would be too. The deadlocked shit be like.
It's fucking funny to me for some reason.
Oh, come on. Here we go.
Ratchet has reached the top of the Tower of Power. He may just be the first contestant in history.
Oh damn, he's gotten far in the game, hasn't he?
Alright,
What do you
entering,
think of that?
loading Cerethos now.
Thank you. I'm actually loading. I actually golded.
Nice.
World record.
Shut up.
I honestly, I kind of hate that when people just say that off the cuff because of dismay.
I just like telling Emerald to shut up because he's a little bitch.
True. True.
Whereabouts is Emerald?
Heading to King of Leviathan. There we go.
We are not winning this, are we?
Bruh,
I just need-
better than Leviathan.
I just need to wait for me. I just need to wait for Emerald to make a mistake.
Or for Matthias to choke.
No, you do that. Yeah.
Alright. Here's the part that's scary.
So scary. Ah!
Alright, I practiced this a little bit. Oh, okay, I got it. Oh,
Okay, I'm heading to Kronos, but I don't know if I even remember the Kronos route. Because there's so many levels in that.
Not the
Please
B,
forget.
not the B6. With the turret launcher. Honestly, I don't like this GS2 because of that. Because I can't press triangle and square at the same time easily. Yes, I know I could use R2 for the quick select.
Oh, okay, what am I doing? That is so unoptimal.
That was almost death. Keyword almost.
The unoptimalness. Oh.
get up,
No.
get up, get up.
God, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna stop.
Oh man, well, that's my time save gone. I actually was ahead of PB, but I mean, I don't care about PB right now.
You can still get, you know, like the run just started.
I like the joke that it's dead there. How about that?
Yeah.
It-
No, you forfeited the Ouya race. Why don't you? Can you at least finish this race?
I will, because Deadlocked is a better game.
Based.
Based.
See, this is why you should learn Deadlocked, Duke. You like it more.
Maybe.
And
Atrax is actually gonna learn Deadlocked, so yeah.
ooh, maybe I should friend request him. He seems cool from what you described.
Yeah, I keep telling him to like refer to you for stuff.
Does he know how to find me?
Yeah, I can just like lead you to him. No, but he's expressed wanting to run Deadlocked because it looks easier than the other Ratchet games, and it's like,
Yeah.
it's fair.
That is the wrong weapon setup. Harbinger rifle flower. Also, this HUD, it's purple on PS2, which I like, and then it's bright and it's hot pink on
Oh my
PS3.
God, more on. I forgot there was a cutscene there. Okay, I was just penalizing myself because I'm just so good at you guys. I can't even say that.
I
at all.
can't,
I'm just so bad.
Emerald is being very quiet about where he is.
Concentrating, I guess.
It'll be funny if he's actually like on like Char or something.
No.
That would be faster than my PS3 time if he was on show already.
Well, maybe I'm faster than your PS3 time.
Maybe you're cheating. I'm gonna call Carl Jobs.
Carl, what's up, my man?
Hello, you absolute legends. Emrav is a little son of a bitch.
I mean, isn't he Australian? I can imagine him saying that.
Dude, Carl Jobs, when he can't start his video with, "Hello, you absolute N-words."
Carl Jobs would teach you. Come on, man. He would teach me how to get
Pick up women.
Yeah.
He would teach you how to pick up women because he wants everyone to touch grass and feel the touch of a woman. Because we're all speedrunners. None of us fucking have women.
Very good.
Alright.
I hate this
Where
clip.
did I go here? Oh, okay, I think I go here.
I hate this clip. I actually really hate this clip on PS2.
I think he hates this clip.
It's fine. It's fine on PS3. It's just PS2. It's annoying. Then again, all my clips are more annoying on PS2. I need to sit at home. Go to a friend's house.
Me and Nintendo runners have one thing in common, and that's running on original hardware.
Does I'm guessing the PS3 port doesn't count then.
Yeah, because you know how Mario runners will not run on like a newer version or anything, even if it's better.
But it's faster. Why wouldn't they?
Exactly, because they're cucks.
Because they're dumb.
Because they're idiots. That's why.
Yeah. I'm just poor. No, I'm not.
Yeah. So you have the PS3 now. Just buy Dead over it at some point.
I'm not. Actually, not. It's fucking. I'm not sure.
You realize I get so mad about the SSD jokes.
Do not pirate. If you pirate games, you're evil and stuff. I guess, and I hate you. I think.
Oh, I pirated JP Rec 2. Hey,
no, you didn't, because you're a good law-abiding citizen that will never pirate video games.
I did pirate Rec 2. I did pirate JP Rec 2 though.
Okay, I'm totally forgetting everything right now. Okay, do this.
That was pretty good. Time loss, lovely. I love that.
Okay, next up,
Hey, Shane.
Shell Shock again. Okay, where's the next tool? Okay, come on, get up here, you bastard.
All right, we're about to Zimarov.
The first like dread zone thing.
Or,
What to call it.
of the Avenger. It says on your splits.
I can't see my splits.
Okay, what's the what's? I need to remember
What
where the
mission?
door is.
The second one.
All right.
All right. You know what? I have to do this. I'm not going back for a second chance. Fuck. Okay. I need to pick the Harbinger at some point. Okay. Alright. Did I mess it up?
I love that skip. That's pretty swag.
Okay.
Guys, I think he likes the skip.
But does he?
That was a bad angle, but it's
I
fine.
golded just now. Wow.
Nice.
You give him your lip and he'll feed you a large sandwich. You got anything? What, honey?
I actually have a face going on right now.
I thought he said lamb sandwich. I guess I'm wrong.
I
Did my internet die? Or did you just stop speaking?
No, he stopped speaking.
No, I was listening for an audio cue and then I still messed it up. Classic.
That is so sad.
Okay, you need scorpion flail. I think. Oh shoot.
I a lot of the time don't watch. Honestly, I have some kind of weird setups for some of the stuff, but they work for me, so I don't know.
Okay, they work for you. That's okay.
A setup is a setup.
A mid-grade Manray 5. Please report to security. You're parked in my space.
Matisse, did I ever tell you that I got in trouble in first grade for saying the "kick your best friend in the pants" day line?
No.
Okay.
It's still a good line though.
Dude, I fucking hate doing. Oh my god, I hate doing flail cancels on the Battle Dome. It's so fucking stupid. Why? Why is there flail lock on?
But stop dying.
I'm guessing this sounds like Shah.
It is Shaw. I'm just doing it myself. I'm actually doing it manually.
This is my feeling.
I did it manually.
This is my 30
What? I
second
just got stomped on
point.
by the thing and instantly died. Okay, saves my progress. We're all good. Dude, the Landstalker stomped on me and insta-killed me.
This is my
Yeah.
chance to catch up, methinks.
This game be like, I am not cool.
This game is a sicko. It's okay, Matthias. If Emerald wins, we can just blame it on him using a PS3, and we'll be like, "Oh, baby's first steps."
Baby's first hard drive.
That is the most gut skip I've ever done in my life, but it worked.
Okay. Do not press start. Do not press start. Do not press start. Okay, I did not press start. I'm not pressing start.
All right.
Are they gonna?
I should have bought flail ammo.
Dude, imagine how good of a deadlock runner I could be if I ran on SSD.
True.
I would totally kick Emerald's ass in this game, and then I'd be like,
Bro.
I'd be like, this is for being better than me at Ouya and Rack 2.
Yeah, that's okay. Good. This is good. This is a good mission 2 so far.
Bro, how do you catch up?
Because I'm good at the game. What else?
Matthias is actually experienced deadlock runner. This also means that I'm gonna
Tomorrow
lose.
is Kick Your Best Friend in the Pants Day. Free popcorn for everyone who participates.
Okay, Matthias, about that line. So I was on a swing set. I remember this. I was on a swing set, and I kept saying it out loud, hoping someone would find it funny. But then the teacher was just like, "Who's your teacher?" And I told them the truth. And so, they went and told my teacher, and then I was forced to talk to her, and she's like, "Who says that?" And I'm just like, "The green guy from Ratchet Deadlocked." and then after like a few seconds, she just stares at me with this whole "What the fuck kind of drugs is the kid on?" type of look, and she's just like, "Go play." I was like, "Okay." I hate myself for that one, for sure.
That is one of the cringiest things I've ever heard.
Dude, one time I was mad because the Cars movie was gonna be airing on the Disney Channel, and I missed it because I had to go to like school, not even like regular school, it's a religious school, and it was only on Saturdays. So I remember like finding out that like when I realized that I wasn't gonna be in time to watch Cars, I remember saying out loud, "Cars are angry," and I was so fucking pissed that I didn't get to watch Cars.
No, dude. No.
You have had a very weird childhood.
Yeah.
Alright, where is Emerald now?
Orcs on mission 2.
I'm the reason that he's no longer gonna struggle on mission 1 ever again. Trust me. Believe me. He when he PBs, if he ever gets a world record, he needs to credit me. Okay,
Who does?
Emerald, if he ever gets like a really good time, he better credit me. I
got
taught that
you.
motherfucker how you do this shit. Hey, can you turn to the bull crank, you fucking failure?
Okay, let's go.
God, this is actually the worst fucking planet in the whole game. Why? Why are there fucking 30 landstalkers?
Because
That shit
that's...
on
Nah.
Go turn the bull crank! Go turn the bull crank!
The video game.
Oh my god! Will you fucking do it already?
I just did the last one manually, and I find it really funny.
Why did you not get on that bolt? Ah. Great. Do this fine, I'll do it myself.
Feels kind of slow.
How? I hate you! I fucking hate you! I'm gonna rip your head off! I hope your stuffer in the depths of hell where you belong! You fucking piece of shit! You make this planet so insufferable!
Oh boy.
Yeah, surgery is hard.
Damn, he's somehow worse than me, just with less swearing.
I'm never fucking running this game again, I swear to God. My legs actually feel fucking numb from that. My legs feel numb from that.
Something knowledge that they're all about to die.
Yes! This is why I can't bring myself to speed run. I went from being minus 38 to plus 44.
Ouch.
Yeah, that is a very rough shot.
I'm done with this game! Fuck you, life split. Oh, I closed the. I'm guessing my fucking.
So what, is it now me, is it just me versus Emerald now?
I guess.
Crusader Mission 1.
Hey, what the hell?
Where
I'm
at?
catching up so.
Whereabouts are you?
I'm ending mission 2 soon.
All because...
He's good at the game.
Well, no, because I've been in Mission 1, I started Mission 1 while you've been in Mission 2 for a lot of planets.
Oh, I forgot how to do the Valix about Oob again. God damn it. I'll remember. It'll come to me. Oh, okay.
Honestly, I do not miss playing on PS2. I do not
miss it?
I do not miss playing on PS2 at all. I suck at that. PS3 is just so much nicer to play in every regard.
For sure, yeah.
Have you even played it on PS2?
I used to.
Oh, that's,
But
right,
of
that's
course
right.
I
That's right. You only had PAL as well.
Yeah. Dumb
I
master should try
I think.
this.
On on my fucking phone.
Okay, gotta.
Oh my god. My fucking hurt.
How do I do this Uber? Okay, got it. Let's go. I remember it.
What was it? Scream.
I fell in the void.
I can't fucking do this right now, man.
Deadlocked.
How?
Okay. You're probably ahead of me now, Matthias. Not gonna lie.
Well, we're about to say you now.
Still mission 1, Alex.
Oh, I'm just leaving Crusader now.
Okay.
I need to. I really need to practice that mission, or else I'm never gonna have fun running this game again.
It's deadlocked. It's very easy to practice.
Oh, just.
We start challenge.
Well, when we have time, I can go through it with you and give you some pointers on what I do.
And I maybe need to see somebody about my anger issues. I kind of resisted for so long because reasons. I'm not gonna get that deep. I know I need to stop. Oh my god. This is why I think I should just skip to learning God of War instead. Maybe a new speedrun will like freshen things
Just
up a
make
little
sure you don't get angry at that game either.
bit. Well, I get angry at every game.
I feel like rage can come with just being burnt out of something. Especially as your PB gets optimized to the point where your improvements are harder and harder to get.
The difference is, Ouya, I didn't rage at, I just kind of died a little inside. I just felt sad seeing Ratchet fall to his death. It's like, okay, you know what? Oh man, I'm bad at this. It's like, that one was a reasonable reaction. It's like, okay, Sad realizes that he really needs to de-rust. Deadlocked.
Just like play around, find what works for you, and yeah, just
Now that I'm an adult and I'm actually kind of somewhat decent at video games, I realize that it's not my problem. It's the fact that Char has fucking. Let me think. It has 2 Landstalker turrets, I believe. No, it has 3 turrets, mostly placed in close proximity, and then 2 actual Landstalkers. So there's 5 fucking Landstalkers shooting you, on top of the 4 rocket turrets. Actually, there's more than 4, but the ones by the steps. And there's the fact that there's just enemies everywhere. And it's like, this planet gives me a fucking headache. I fucking hate Char so much. I don't know how I feel if I run Jack 1 again.
I don't even know if I will, I don't even know if I will run Jack 1 at all, honestly. I might just do 1 run. And for some reason I want it to be no FCS. Not no LTS.
You really want to learn lava tube skip?
It doesn't seem that bad, other than the rocket uppercuts. How did I lose a minute on this in my last run?
oh jeez, a minute.
Alright, we're about to zoom her off now.
Mission 3, I think, or 4.
The heck Mules one?
No, I'm past that one.
Right.
Okay, mission 4.
You're still ahead then.
Hey, let's go.
Come on, clip through the door. Thank you.
Barely ahead. Okay, do not crash the game at the store. Do not crash. Do not crash. Crash avoided. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's go.
It's not even that hard. But yeah. apparently if you like charge too fast into the door, I don't know, it crashes. Me when I find out. Oh, bam.
Dread Zone horn game.
Did you get interneted, Matthias?
Yes.
Alright, we figured.
Alright. So where's Emerald now for comparison?
Not sure.
Because I was slow.
He's still on. Well, he's on Torval now.
Mission.
Not sure
3.
because apparently 3.
Because I didn't do the bike thing, so I'm slow. Just gonna pretend there. Hey, dude, hack. Asshole.
I can screen share again when I get to another load.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, don't try and waste time for the screen share. I will say the game does look easy. I might try learning it.
That's why I asked you, do you want to do an any percent to get your foot in the door?
I might try. I mean, obviously, I don't know. Any percent is gonna have skipperoonies, but
Fuck.
oh, he messed up the
Dude,
easiest
it's
trick.
not hard. It's not
Messing up the easiest trick in the game. It's literally
What?
just go to the
It's
control
just
panel.
menuing.
It's just menuing, dude. This man does not speedrun RPGs.
Thank you. True. Hey, I'm gonna get in here. Hey yo. Hey yo. Thought my game hard locked for a second. Bro, he loaded, meaning he's probably done with Torval.
Yep.
No! How do you do that? Oh god. Alright, well this is how he wins.
And whereabouts are you?
Mission 4. The last one. Mission 5, maybe, I don't know.
Okay.
The Ace Hard Light boy.
Yeah, mission 4.
Dude! Yeah, okay.
Ugh.
Hey, let's go. many cutscenes? God.
A lot.
Alright, okay, rendering is back to the point it was last time in an hour. And I bet it's gonna take another 6 hours to finish the final final quarter.
Screen now to vote for your favorite weapon. Your choice weapon in 3, 2, 1. There it is. See how he does with. It's like because you're killing the stuff so fast, none of Dallas's lines line up.
Maybe he has to memorize spawn patterns and I forget everything.
This Team Darkstar was a massive bomb drop from a fleet dreadnought. What psychos start this challenge up? What's that? Reactor and shell shock? I didn't know they were friends. Saying this thing, Corporal. What? Oh, yeah, yes, let's go to the action. Dallas is one of the best things in this game.
Best mission. The one where you do nothing.
Oh, not on PS2. I cannot clip through the. This clip on PS2 is cancer.
Yeah, the clip works, but like I've gotten it once in my life.
Same. I've gone it once or twice and that's it.
Yeah.
And then you can't use the hollow shield because it doesn't last long enough.
You want to see me lose time in an autoscroller?
Yes.
How would you do that?
Pausing.
Hyper stacking outwards.
Why would you do that?
Why not? I'm determined to get this clip. Don't think I will though.
Oh, I just remember having to muck that one time. I need to go and find that clip because that's amazing what happened to muck. It's sad but it's funny.
Oh, where the thing like kills him instantly.
Yeah. Alright, what happened?
Saj, look at my screen.
Okay, we're gonna look.
Hey, you seen this?
Okay.
Dude, look at this.
He runs like he's trying to get his tail out of the suit.
I mean, considering where his tail is.
Exactly. I wonder why they never bothered animating a tail at the very least for the cartoon. I knocked over off the shit on my fucking. Oh my god.
My tail feels like it's shoved right up my.
Yeah, they had to censor it out to keep the teen rating. Alright. Everyone's least favorite point except mine. Okay, yeah.
Oh, didn't even know Stitcher was next. Dude, look at these legs. Damn. They go in circles. Take your friend to the bandstand. Kick my friend in the cocktail. Planets. Okay, now I'm heading to Stitcher. So I'm like a good 30 seconds, minute behind you.
Shut fuck, we've seen Team Darkstar go through some tight spots before.
He's only ahead of me because of pure skill. He's on slower hardware. And I want to cry.
I'm just imagining if we had a 4-way race between us, what would happen?
Oh boy.
Chaos.
Well, me and when Sage is confident about his Shah mission 2. Sage and I on PS2 because for handicaps.
Really, just assuming me and Duke are gonna be bad at the game? Wow, man.
Well, because Duke only has a PS3.
Yeah.
Duke could be like
I mean,
the next Pokemon. Just saying.
Do I need to do PAL PS2 to be extra hard on myself?
Go.
That's fine. I got a PS3. I'll be fine, dude. I don't need a PS2. I need a PS2 where I'm going.
He's built different. Even though
I'm
it's
built
faster,
different. I'm built different. I'm gonna take the world record in PS3 80%.
Let's
Be the
go.
greatest PS3 rack runner ever. No, just kidding. I'm not.
Well, I mean,
I know I'd have to.
as much as I don't like it, Rack 2 NG Plus is very close to be more optimal on PS3 than Black Label PS2.
Good. What it should be.
Bad.
Good.
Good.
If there's any consolation, Matthias, the way it is probably very difficult.
Ask Emerald.
Arrow. Is it very difficult?
For what? To play PS3?
The rack PS, the PS3 route in NG Plus rack 2.
I mean, it's kind of easier than PS2, but I don't know.
Okay. Alright, noted. I'm going for well. Okay, good. Noted.
It's much easier than PS2 actually. Scotto has like 100 attempts, while Fear has like 17,000 attempts. I mean 17. Yeah, no, 17,000. Yeah.
Alright, noted. Noted.
Yeah.
I can be competitive on that. I can be competitive on. Well, I can be better than rack 1 obviously because rack 1 is PS3, and rack 3 is PS3 as well. The only one I wouldn't be competitive on is Deadlocked, but then I could just do the PS3 categories.
So, you know, like the only advocates here for Black Label PS2 being better.
Wait, Matthias is advocating for PS3 to be better?
Sorry?
You're advocating
No,
for PS3 to be better?
you and I are the only ones who want Black Label to be better.
So you don't want it to be better?
I want Black Label to be better than PS3. Can I make it any more clear?
You were saying I'm the only advocate.
You and I are the only advocates for Black Label PS2. Oh my god, can you hear sometimes?
No, you said I was the only advocate, and then you said that you also want it to be better. So that means I'm not the only advocate.
I said you and I!
You could have said that both times. You could have said that like every time. Because you clearly said at some point that I'm the only one.
No, not my best not my Good Luck on the Runs server. Favorite people fighting again.
Do we even? We don't even have a rules channel anymore, do we?
No.
What?
What's the point of a boost channel?
When we all break, when we break the rules all the time anyway. All right, how are we going?
Stygia something.
Wow.
True.
Oh yeah,
I just,
Emerald. Sorry, Sage. I called out to Emerald by Torval. Or by the end of Torval.
Dude, you're fucking cracked.
No, that means I'm not cracked.
I know. Honestly,
I don't know why
I need
that's
to.
funny.
I need to grind Doodle Digging properly. It's my favorite. It's my favorite game of all time. I feel like I'm not playing it enough.
Me when rack 2.
When rack 2,
Everybody's
yes.
pee-pee because we're not breaking for commercial anytime soon. Oh, I
Let's
got the
go, dude.
I got the speed clip again.
You got the what clip?
The speed clip on Meraxis.
I'm guessing it's fast.
No, honestly it might even lose time compared to the regular compared to just
Okay, but
waiting
is
out.
it okay, Matthias? But is it more swag?
Yes, phasing through a solid door with nothing but your momentum.
Now that is swag,
Yeah,
Oh, it's kind of like a camera clip.
but
but more.
The
swag.
camera is nowhere near you when you do it.
Matthias, Why are you doing hyperstacks?
Because the bot didn't spawn.
You know you can make it spawn by rubbing Ratchet against the right wall, you know, when you clip in. That's what I do.
Yeah. When Sajwin gives Matthias facts about the game. Wow.
Or because I'm not used. Because I'm fast enough on PS2, you don't have to worry about that.
Well, no, but here's the thing: it would already be faster to just do the rubbing on the right wall thing, and then just, you know.
Clip, please. Thank you. Bad. Alright. How are we going?
Hey, Sajwin's not working.
Enrolf, are you on Meraxis yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
A British.
British person.
The only thing that's gonna make things better is if that list gets revealed.
What list?
Liberate.
GDQ game list.
Right.
That way I can tweet that Zelda got screwed hardcore at GDQ.
Hardcore Q.
But is Zelda like actually one of the main reasons that speedrunning became a thing?
Kind of not. Quake and Doom really started it, but also Zelda is definitely one of the reasons people will find out about speedrunning. And of course, Mario.
Yes.
Yep.
I mean, and Pokemon as well, to be fair. Pokemon has good amount.
Pokemon is a fun game to speedrun.
It's not a fun game to speedrun, but people do it because it is. Well, do you remember that Pokemon is the most, I think the highest grossing multimedia franchise of all time.
You also have to remember that Pokemon fans lack brain cells.
True, they played the same game for years.
No, it's not that. It's the fact that they would speedrun a game with so much RNG when they could speedrun anything else, like Mario. I would honestly rather Mario over a Pokemon game.
Baj, people speedrun actual card games like Yu-Gi-Oh.
Do I speedrun League of Legends? Just saying.
No.
I need to ask
Ban.
Dad if you want to play
Ban.
Casino again at some point. It's a pretty good card game.
I would rather run Secret Agent Clank on PS2 over a Pokemon game.
Ooh.
Same.
Actually, PS3 has a built-in PSP emulator apparently.
I don't know if it's built in, but you can get it with mods. Don't pause. Done. Done. Done.
Come on.
Hope you guys like my sounds.
What was that?
Death.
Okay, what a second. Oh, I accidentally reversed my camera controls as well.
How do you do that?
Hyper-
It's like
One
It's
X,
in the
one
same-
X, one extra X press when doing hyperstacking.
yeah.
I hate PS2 mind clips.
Okay, there we go, dude. That shouldn't have taken that long. Me and Matthias.
Uber.
Yes.
I have 3 mines left. Good. I'm gonna be losing time here. Guaranteed.
Am I going in circles? Yes. Yes, I am. Good job, me. What the fuck? Okay, now I go here. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna have to head off after this run, by the way.
Alright.
Okay. Don't be dumb challenge gone wrong. Has he done the game?
No. I've still got Dudes and Interior left to do.
Oh, okay.
Are you ahead?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Whereabouts are you, Emerald?
The ship mission on Ghost Station.
The escape, or...
No, the ship. No, he's in the ship.
Yes.
Picking up
the one where
stuff.
he's... yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's catching up again.
Ratchet, come on, Emma. Come on, Emma. I bet on you. Come on.
You,
True. You did bet on me.
I bet that Matthias would make some catastrophic mistake and you'd blitz him. But...
He knows all the out of bounds strats on it interior, so.
No,
Yeah, but
the East Gen one on PS2 is so BS, I don't bother with it anymore.
Oh, okay. I lost my. Oh, what? Where'd I go? Where are the little things I break? There they are. Okay, 11 more. Let's travel it all across the map because I don't know the routing. Oh, is it?
That looked extremely sketchy, Matthias.
Bits anymore. Yeah, Clank, hang on.
Yo, Clank, my boy. Okay, and then more here. And then you find out there's one more, and then you cry. I really just left one power module. One.
It's called a map.
I'm looking at my map. I can't. I don't know, where is it? In the map. Oh,
The blue star.
I know, but I
He
saw
found
the
it.
blue star. I didn't know how to get.
He
to
found it. Emerald is really just, hey, now really just has view cursor on his live split. Come on, dude. Rookie mistake.
How many
Hey,
more?
what do we do? Bro. Oh, that's right. It's supposed to go in here. Damn. The only unskippable cutscene in the whole series.
No way, dude.
Not
That probably the whole series, honestly.
Nah, not serious.
Todd, hello. Then again, we delete the cutscenes, or you use
Hey, all the destruction was out of. It was past Deadlocked. It's okay.
or you use JPPS3.
Wait, JPPS3. Wait, is JP3 basically you can just skip the cutscenes?
Yeah. North American or
No,
PAL...
but-
No, North American or PAL
It's-
version of the game on
it's-
JPP is 3.
Right.
It's trying to...
Let me guess. Is JPPS3 the fastest version of the game by any chance?
No.
It
Oh,
used to be.
It doesn't matter anymore now. Because we allowed the deletion... Because we allowed the cutscene deleting.
Alright. I remember you talking about this.
Yeah, because when you were ranting about the hacked file in SMS, which, by the way, you got
Oh,
it
yeah.
wrong.
It's still... No, the hack file is still stupid and I hate it. And I really wish they wouldn't use it.
Peach file I can understand, not hacked file though. That sounds like a blessing.
I still don't approve of it. It's not like I'm gonna actually speedrun Super Mario Sunshine anytime though, because it's actually difficult.
Super Mario, these nuts.
I still might buy Melee at some point if that cheap listing that I found is still up.
No, you're not buying Melee.
Why not?
I have Sunshine in Luigi's Mansion, and I got Super Monkey Ball with the console, which cost 20p.
Melee is like the only game I have a chance of obtaining because it's cheap.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
And
Again, Super Monkey Ball cannot be that expensive if like I got one for 20p with console. That was Chad. You guys will never find a better deal than that.
Bro, this guy.
It's impossible to get a better deal than anything than getting an entire GameCube with controller and 3 games including Super Monkey Ball for just 20p.
GameCube.
how much is Super Monkey Ball on standalone anyway?
A lot.
That's
Okay,
you can say that for any GameCube game.
Exactly. That's why I said yeah. Super Monkey Ball GameCube. Let's have a look. Okay, no, they're about 15 quid.
Yeah.
Dude, someone's saying.
And even if I got that disc of Melee, I'd have to hack my Wii to play it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because it's a JP copy of the game,
Fair enough.
and my Wii is PAL.
Creep.
Yeah.
Guys,
Well.
dude, I'm gonna die to that one guy.
No.
I'm 29 health. I had like no invulnerability. Bro. The game like cheated.
Come on.
Cause he done the game yesterday.
57, 58.
Hey, nice. That's pretty good, I think. It's PB, I know that, for PS2 at least.
It's PS2 world. It's a new PS2 world record, but they don't really care about They don't really care about console world records here.
Well, wait, no. Oh, you actually did get. Wait, what? Yeah, this you did get whatever.
Dude, come on, man. Come on. Hello. Hello, man. Bye-bye.
GG.
GG, these nuts.
Oh, GG, your